What's up, YouTube? You guys made me proud today, and I gotta kick it off with just showing some love to the family and all of you that did your thing on today, guys. This is what it's all about. This is what it comes down to, man. And I love to see you guys win. Okay, I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate because they hate that I love to love on you guys, okay? Because I see the progress. I see you guys getting better and better each and every day on your journey, and that's what it's all about, guys. Check this one out among many other ones. This was from family member Christy. She said, "Hey Chris, now mind you guys, this is early morning and I love this. Sharing my spy gains, made some money on a quick scout. I love that. Look at the lingo. Look at how through the recession, through the bear market, you guys are learning the lingo. You guys are learning the lexicon of what we're doing on a day-to-day basis." She talking about scalping. I'm learning to manage my risk. I love that, because that's all this game comes down to, guys. Being patient and managing your risk. That's all it is at the end of the day. Don't never let nobody fool you with $1,000 and $100,000 courses, okay? I'm learning to manage my risk and take 10-20% gains as I see them. I've watched too many trades turn red on me holding too long. Not bad for a few minutes in the market. She's absolutely right. Not bad at all, guys. Typically on average, my plays go from anywhere from 2 minutes to 5 minutes, 15 minutes at the longest, guys, because if you know what you're doing, you can make a lot of money in a little bit of time. And we're not gambling. We're taking calculated risks. We're using the charts because the money is in the charts. Also, guys, check out my guy Nate. He said, "Chris," now I'm super proud of him. He don't even know it, but I told him this, but he still don't even know to the degree, because words sometimes don't do it. But I'm super proud of him. Listen to this. Did an AMD put. Okay, he's part of my money team. Okay, guys, wrote it down to 75.25. Saw profit, took profit, about 20% gain. Okay, I love to see that, guys. That is, I can't even go there. Listen to this. If you played $100,000 and you had 20% gain, if you had $1 million and that was a 20% gain, look at the possibilities of this when done right. Okay, but he went on to say, "Didn't do as well as I wanted to, but next time I'll be on time for the party. Chart video was very helpful, and as always, your numbers are spot on. You're teaching the family a wealth of info that I'm learning how to apply to increase my financial trajectory." Nate, I could not be more proud of you. You came late to the party and still did your thing, man. Major salute. And major salute to everyone else that did their thing on the day as well. Guys, you already know I got to give you guys a quick recap and then tell you where the plays are going next so we can continue to make money on the journey. Okay, check this one out, guys. I'm kicking it off with Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, $144.80. This one was up 7.73% or $10 today. Remember this, I told you guys in advance. I told you guys in last week video on Friday. I tell you guys over the weekend. I tell you these things in advance, unlike anybody else. Okay, they either watch what I'm doing or they telling you guys after the fact. But I told you guys Tesla was going to pop. I tell you the levels. I tell you where to get in at, and I tell you to make sure when you see profit, take profit. This play, again, is doing its thing down from 101. Remember this, because you guys need to understand, when you know how to play this game the right way at the elite level. I ain't talking about what all these other people are doing. I'm talking about when you guys understand this, you guys can change it. Like, you don't even need the whole year. You catch these plays the right way, it'll do something to you, okay? But Tesla sitting at 144.77. We got over some key critical levels on today, guys, and that's what I want to talk to you guys about next. Look at this. For the week, we're up 15%. Like I always like to show you, let's go down here to a low, one of the lows, 124, January 19th. That was last week. Since then, we are all the way up here. We hit a high today of 145. The next target we're going for is 146. We want to break through that, but we're really looking at 148, 150 to the upside. However, Tesla has earnings coming up on Wednesday, so if it cools off, that'll be the reason they use to cool it off. However, if it keeps running, you guys already know where we're headed next. 158 is our ultimate target, but we play it level to level. I don't want you guys to get greedy. A lot of times I don't even want to tell you guys the full levels for the full expected move, because then you guys get greedy. You're like, oh, Chris told me it's going to 158. Yeah, it's going there, but it still got to get to 148 first. Then it got to get to 150. Then it's going to sit there for a minute. Then it might pull back for a minute. You guys see what I'm saying? And so it doesn't go straight to that level, even though, like I tell you guys all the time, it will eventually get there. Trust the process, guys. Trust the teaching. The money is in the charts, and the charts don't lie. All right. With that being said, guys, look at the SPY. Who called this one out? I told you guys way in advance, we're going to 400 next. Okay. And so we did it a little bit sooner than I anticipated, but I said we're going to have resistance at 398, 399, but we're ultimately trying to go to 400. Check this out, guys. We went and took off today, 402, okay, 401. Once we broke that level of support and had the nerve to close above 400, that opens the door for a retest of 402. But now we can get ready to go to 405 and 408 next, okay? You guys got to be locked in, all right? Now listen, all of this stuff comes with the possibility of a pullback, okay? So you need to know our support levels. When it pulls back, okay, whether they try to do it tomorrow morning or in pre-market, okay, you need to look for 398.50, okay, 398.50. Write all this stuff down, guys. Take notes if you rock with me. Not only just for due diligence sake, but so you can see, man, this brother comes on here humbly every day to tell us everything these stocks will do, both to the upside and downside. All we got to do is learn how to play the game at the elite level, okay? But anyway, support is going to be 398.50. If we lose that, meaning if we don't bounce off that, then that opens the door for us to come back down to that 395 level, okay? However, since we close here, that's a good sign. One day isn't enough, so I need to see this happen again tomorrow. Hopefully we can get above this level, maybe to around that 401, 402 level and close there. We might go higher, but I'm talking about close there, all right? And then, guys, check this out. Look at Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. This one is currently sitting at 141.08. This one was up and closed up to over 2% today, but at the time of its high, it was up 3.7%, nearly 4% on the day, as high as 143.09, okay, before it pulled back. This is called a back test right here, okay? It came down here and found support and closed above 140. Remember this, guys? This last week, when this was 133, 134, I said, where's Apple going? We're going to 138, we're going to 140. This one blew through all of that today, closed there, so that's a good thing, but blew through that today and got way up here to 143. Okay, so again, that opens the door. The next stop for us with Apple is 146. I need you guys to be looking for that level. Remember, you heard it here first before anybody else in the game tells you this. We're going to 146 next, so be ready. Okay, be ready. This is the back test. Okay, they might pull it back down to 138. That's support, okay? This is a back test. 138 will be support. Look for a bounce off that level and a continuation higher towards the targets I just told you. 146 for Apple, okay? That's the next level after we get back through this 143, 144 level, okay? Again, take it level by level, guys, because it won't let it go in a straight line. Just like this went, look at this. It went to 143 and pulled back $3, okay? Then it went back up $1. Please be mindful of the fluctuation in this price action, okay, across all your stocks, even if it ain't ones that I'm covering. All right, it happens across the board. That's why I teach you this. If you learn the game, guys, what you will notice, you can go apply whatever I teach you across any stocks you choose to trade and make money with. All right, the lessons is universal, the lessons is evergreen. I just want you guys to apply what you hear and learn every day, 7 days a week in these videos, okay? Listen, guys, we got off to a great start. Around here, guys, we call these numbers to a T on a daily. So again, all you really gotta do is tap in, lock in, focus and have a game plan, because you can just really play off the videos, or you can get even pinpoint accuracy if you are in the Discord, guys. Okay, listen guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.